What's up, everybody? Let's talk about this cool ass little multi-tool right here. Oh yeah, welcome to a review of the Swiss Army Camper. I've been carrying this thing for a while now, and it's pretty damn cool. Got about, I don't know, two and something chains on the blade. Got yourself a can opener, bottle opener, wire stripper, saw, small blade, primary blade, all in a reamer, and a wine opener. And of course it has the classic toothpick and tweezers. Victornox, made in Switzerland. Can opener has a nice edge on it. Nice blue. Just small blade. Nice aggressive teeth on that saw. Screwdriver. Bottle opener. Wire strippers there. Toothpick. It's awesome. Use it all the time. And tweezers. Also awesome. Very handy. Especially in the woods. Nice awl reamer. Nice and sharp. Wicked nice. I won this blade on Woodland Tacticals giveaway. Alright. Everybody knows and seeing these. This is my second one. I had that little one, you know, when I was younger, but never had one like this. All you had was a multi-tool. Feels nice in the hand. Still sharp. I haven't sharpened it yet. Still a little rough with it. See if the lock pushes out back here. Nothing's happening. Ooh, that was nice. Pretty damn strong. And they look so cheap, you know. Not saying that they are, but. So, that's the primary blade. Nice. Goes back in nice. Let's get the smaller blade, which is also pretty sharp. Ooh. Ooh. Man. I think that might be sharper than the other one. Whew. Wow, check that out. Those are paper thin, man. Damn. It's a nice ass blade. Now, there's really no place to strike the ferro rod with this knife, and it not being locking. It's pretty sketchy, so I don't know what we're gonna do there. It's probably gonna fly through the fat wood. Definitely. Very nicely. Get the bigger blade. I've been using the bigger blade more, so I think it's a little bit more duller than the smaller blade, but that's my fault, not the knife's fault. Still cutting though. That ought to test the edge, huh? Still pretty sharp. I'm sure you guys know about the Victornox saws, man. Man, they're just pretty much nasty. That corkscrew actually gives you a nice grip. Oh, this is hard wood. It just flies through, man. Very aggressive. Let the saw do the work, man. It's pretty clean. Yeah, so let's see. I don't know about anybody else, but I always carry a small ferro rod with me. I like to carry this one. It's a UST. Comes with a really nice striker. And it works, and it's small. Now if you're just carrying this guy in your truck or with your whatever, you know, you always have a means to start fire. You don't have to sacrifice your awl, because the awl is probably what I would use, because I don't want to sacrifice any of my blades. So your awl would be your best bet. Now, I'm not going to show you using my awl because, well, I don't want to ruin my awl. So I would suggest carrying a ferro rod with a striker. But since this is all you had was a multi-tool, you can sacrifice can opener. I usually don't eat much cans anyway, so let's see if that'll work. Probably not. Nope. Oh, it's so bad. Sweet. Shit worked. nice. Wasn't expecting that. There you go. Oh yeah, it was a Multitool. You had to get a fire going. Peace out, everybody. Have a great weekend, whenever this video is posted. Peace out, everybody. Much respect and appreciation, man. Swiss Army Camper. Sweet ass Multitool. Showers them. It's a good fire steel. Just showers metal right off. Not very cheap, but well worth it, I think, in my opinion.